Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about climate change. It is one of the most important problems in the world. Climate change means the earth is getting hotter. This affects nature, animals, and people. In this video, we will talk about the past, the present, and the future of climate change. In the past, climate change started when people began using machines in factories. This was during the Industrial Revolution. People burned coal and oil to make energy. This produced smoke and gases like carbon dioxide. These gases went into the air and started to hit the planet. But people did not know this was a problem. They continue using these things every day. In the present, we can see the results of climate change. The weather is changing. There are more floods, big storms, and heat waves. Ice in the north and south poles is melting. Sea levels are rising. Many animals are losing their homes. People are also suffering from fires and water problems. Today, scientists and governments are working together. They want to stop pollution and protect the planet. Many countries are using clean energy like wind and solar power. This helps reduce the bad gases in the air. In the future, climate change will continue to be a problem if we do nothing. The earth will become hotter. There will be more problems with food, water, and weather. But there is hope. We can change. We're going to use better technology. We're going to plant more trees. People are learning how to recycle and save energy. If we act now, we can make the future better for everyone. Thank you very much for listening. Let's take care of our planet. Now let's move on to another topic.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about environment, past, present and future. Each of us has chosen a different subtopic related to environment and I, Valeria, am going to talk about pollution. In the past, pollution started to increase with the use of factories and cars. People used coal and oil and there were no rules to protect nature. Rivers and air were polluted because factories dumped waste and smoke everywhere. People didn't understand how dangerous it was. Now pollution is a big problem around the world. The air in many cities is dirty and oceans are full of plastic. Trash, smoke and chemicals are everywhere. Pollution is affecting animals, nature and human health. In the future, pollution is going to be worse. If we don't take care of the environment, more species will disappear and the planet will become harder. But technology will also help reduce pollution and some countries will create better laws to protect the earth. Pollution is a problem that affects everyone, not just nature. If we continue to ignore it, we will harm our own future. Taking care of the environment is not an option, it is a responsibility we all share.
Why biodiversity is essential for health. Biodiversity means the variety of life on Earth, including different plants, animals, and microorganisms. This variety is crucial for many reasons. First, let's talk about food. Biodiversity gives us a wide range of foods to eat. When we have many different crops and animals, we can enjoy a balanced diet. For example, think about fruits and vegetables. If we only eat a few types, like just apples and potatoes, we might miss out on vitamins and minerals that other foods provide. In the future, I believe we will see more people growing diverse gardens at home to improve their diets. Moreover, being close to nature has great benefits for mental health. Studies show that spending time in parks or forests can reduce stress and anxiety. It makes us feel happier and more relaxed. I am going to encourage everyone to take time outdoors and enjoy the beauty of nature around us. Even a short walk in a green space can improve your mood. Biodiversity also supports clean air and water. Trees and plants help clean the air we breathe by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Healthy ecosystems filter our water and keep it clean for drinking. If we lose biodiversity, we risk losing these essential services that support our health.
Renewable energy is going to come from natural sources that are constantly replenished, like the sun, wind, water, and the earth's heat. Unlike fossil fuels, the sources won't run on and won't pollute the environment. We're going to use solar power from sunlight, wind power from moving air, hydropower from flowing water, geothermal energy from the earth's heat, and biomass from organic material like plants and waste. These clean energy sources are going to play a major role in protecting both the planet and our health. They won't release harmful pollutants into the air, which means will reduce respiratory diseases like asthma and bronchitis. Air quality is going to improve and fewer people will suffer from heart problems and strokes. Renewables also won't contaminate water or soil, so we're going to see fewer waterborne diseases and toxic exposures. And see they're going to lower greenhouse gas emissions. They will help slow down climate change. That means we'll be better protect from extreme weather, forest shortages, and the spread of diseases. In short, renewable energy is going to create a cleaner, healthier future for everyone.
Which monument, past, present, and future past? Long ago, people didn't know much about trash. They threw trash to the ground, in rivers or burned it. There were no trash cans. There was no recycling. This was very bad of the heart. Animals got sick. Water became dirty. The air was full of smoke. People didn't think about the planet. Present. No think about it. We know that trash is a problem. We use trash waste at home, at school, and in the city. That separate the trash, paper, plastic, glass, and food. We call the recycling. Some trash is taken to landfills. Some trash is burned to make energy. People clean the streets. We teach children to take care of the planet, but we kids make too much trash. That is a big problem. Future. In the future, we want to make less trash. We will use better materials. We will stop using so much plastic. New machines will help recycling more. We will use clean energy. Robots may help clean big cities. People will learn more about natural and how to protect it. We will work toward to keep the planet clean. Thank you very much for listening my audio. I hope you learn something about God's monument in the past, today, and in the future. Let's all try to take care of the air. Every small action helps. Target we can make a better and cleaner world. Thanks again and goodbye.